Adafruit Trinkey QT2040. Adafruit have created a range of RP2040 powered boards. The Trinket QT2040 is a USB key-shaped device with no GPIOs and limited connectivity. It is designed for plug-and-play use and can be connected to any computer running any operating system. Trinket QT2040 offers a quick and simple way to build projects with the power of the RP2040. The Stemma Q, QuiQ connector is connected to a series of sensors connected via the handy Stemman Q, quiqconnector. Adafruit's Trinkey QT2040 is the first to be powered by Raspberry Pi's RP2040 SoC. The board has no traditional breadboard compatible pins, rather we have a single Stemma QT, QuiQ connector. We can use the NeoPixel in our projects thanks to a simple CircuitPython library that abstracts most of the complexities, including abstracting the GPIO pin. Trinket QT2040 features a single NeoPixel, which if left unprogrammed will show any errors by blinking the LED for a set number of times, and in a set color. Trinket QT2040 is a Stemma QT board with a large footprint. CircuitPython is an easy-to-use dialect of Python 3 and a large selection of libraries. The board is compatible with C, C++ and MicroPython, but we really need to use CircuitPython. Trinket QT2040 can be connected to a computer with no extra wires. The lack of a traditional GPIO will put some off, but the convenience of USB-A and Stemma QT, QuiQ elevates this board to a Swiss Army knife of a tool.